Guys, I just got this Barbie Poppet, and it's already getting boring just to pop it. I think I'm going to trade it. Trading this Barbie Poppet. Going one. Oh my gosh, me, I would love to offer. Really? What's your offer? I'll give you this blue wacky track, this pineapple phone case, this unicorn dimple, and this remote simple dimple. Guys, she's already over, but I'm going to get more out of her. I know I didn't mention this, but this is like my only fidget. Good offer, but you need to add. Oh, fine. I'll give you this black dimple digit, this dimple, this starburst poppet, this tangle, this white and black simple dimple, and this black and white simple dimple. Your offer is really great, but can you please add? Fine, only because it's my dream fidget. I'll give you this dimple digits, this plastic poppet, this really big black dimple digits, this glow-in-the-dark Nido, this blue rubber simple dimple, this watch bracelet, these 3 mini pop tubes, this Orbeez stress ball, this cotton candy mini poppet, and this snapper, deal or no deal. Guys, look at all those fidgets she's adding in. I need to get more. She's too easy to scam. How about you just add in all of your fidgets? Or how about I add in these 2 keychains? And just to be nice, the rest of my simple dimples. Wow, those keychains are great and all, but add in all of that. Okay, you got me. That is my dream fidget, so I guess. Jeez, no way. Oh my gosh. Get scammed. That Barbie Poppet doesn't even pop a lot.